So the reason I bought this is actually for my shoes. This is my shoes. I rarely use them because this part, the midsole, turn into yellowish kind of thing. So I'm trying to make it black, but it's always disappearing. That's why I bought this. It work. Before I use this. I mean, of course, it didn't work. So what I'm trying to do is cover this part with this one, and let's see. It's done. I think I messed up a bit here, but that's okay. That's alright. What do you think? What do you think, guys? I think it's perfect. Done the first. Next one. So the second is done, and what do you think? Let's wait until tomorrow and then we'll see the result. Cheers. So this is actually not the insole. The real insole is actually this one. It's quite beautiful actually. Yeah.